good morning, everybody. I'm here with my colleague, Mark McGinnis. And you know what? We just wanted to have a weather chat with you. We just wanted to casually talk about what's happening today, what's coming up, because as Mark, we've been saying, this is really a big deal, what's coming our way here later this week.
You know, obviously inconvenience with the snow, but boy, this cold weather. Just looking at the numbers, 5 years ago when we had the polar vortex and everyone thought it was really cold, what we're going to see on Wednesday and Thursday is going to be, unfortunately, a lot colder than that and more dangerous as a result, too. So, yeah, it is concerning. I mean, 94. You have to go back to January 94, the last time we were 20 below or colder. We're going to do that in 2 consecutive nights at least. And then you go back to 82, 83. That was the other time it was really cold, what we're anticipating. So, we're talking the first time 25 years.
It's been a while. It's been a while. So, you know what? We'll talk about the snow for now. So, just to give you kind of a rough idea of what we're looking at. So far, we've heard some amounts of about 6 inches of snow across some of the northern suburbs. Even over around northern Indiana, we've heard as much as 5 inches of snow around Valparaiso, but ballpark idea of how much snow is falling this morning. So we still want you to know the Weather Service has these winter weather advisories in effect. And as we know, the winter weather advisory, it's not issued for necessarily amount of snow, just impact.
Yeah, and it could be a mixture of things, too, with the snow and the ice. So it's not like a set amount of snow that we're expecting. Right. It means that there's going to be snow, there's going to be an ice, a combination of both. It's going to be inconvenient, make surfaces a little bit dangerous. Winter storm warnings, they get a little bit more technical with the snow and the ice there. But generally, yeah, the hotter the color, the bigger the problem you have.
Uh-oh, look at that tie you have on. Yeah. Oh, no, yeah. Bright colors here today.
Big problem, yeah.
Big problems. All right, then there is the problem of the cold. And so the wind chill watch, the Weather Service issued this, and it means exactly what it says. Watch. We're watching for that impact of the bitter cold wind chills, and it goes into effect 6 o'clock tomorrow evening.
Yeah, and here's what you need to be prepared for this. And the numbers get really, really like mind-boggling cold. I mean, we're talking 40, 50, even 55 below with the wind chill. But really all you need to take away from that is between 6 o'clock on Tuesday and noon on Thursday, between that almost 48-hour period, 42 hours to be exact, you can get frostbite in 5 to 10 minutes time. So you really want to reduce the amount of time you're outside.
It's no joke. It's no joke. And I know, not everybody can just hunker down and stay indoors for that entire time. But when you go out, we are talking, and I have the wearcast that I always show. You gotta cover. The scarf that you just got to cover as much as possible.
And don't underestimate the power of the cold. That's a lot of people do that, unfortunately, when we look and look back at situations where people got into trouble. Is simple tasks when it's 20 below zero. There's no such thing as a simple task. Taking out the garbage at 20 below is not what you normally think. It's a lot harder. Bundle up, put the 2 to 3 layers on there, then take out the garbage and make sure that you're only outside for a minute or so. I mean, just simple tasks like that are difficult. Driving to work is going to be difficult. And we have, a lot of records we're talking about over the next couple of days, Tracy.
My first year here, and I was telling you about this last night when we were talking. My first year here was 1994, 25 years ago. And I remember reporting on this, the all-time record lowest high temperature for a day, which was 11 below zero, January 18th, 1994. We're challenging that this week.
Yeah, you know what? So Wednesday, right now, we're forecasting to hit that high.
Yes.
So we're forecasting to tie the coldest high temperature. But we have plenty of computer models that are even colder, forecasting 13, 15 below, even 18 below for the high on Wednesday, which hopefully that doesn't happen, but even 11 below, it's just so cold.
And we have to emphasize, this is temperature. We're talking, these are temperatures. This is not the wind chill. And so that's where that wind chill watch comes into effect. And if the Weather Service does issue a wind chill warning, which we anticipate that they will.
Yep.
That is the criteria of at least wind chills 30 below or colder, and we are anticipating that. But you look at these records, record low maximum temperature back there, January 30th, 3 degrees, 2004. I mean, this is really just, this is unusual.
Yeah, so very unusual. I mean, first time in 25 years. Wednesday and Thursday right now, we're forecasting blowout all the record temperatures. The coldest low, the coldest high temperature for Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, what wasn't on that board, Tracy, was it's looking like Wednesday is going to end up being the second coldest day in the history of Chicago, at least going back to the 1870s.
Yeah, record keeping started for us officially in 1871. And when you think about that, over 100 years. And I know Phil mentioned over the weekend, he said, if you were born after 1985, this is the coldest you have ever experienced.
Yeah, and it's these numbers you're showing. The wind chill is just, you know, it's just respect the cold. I mean, do not take it for granted that something's going to be easy.
And you know what? We made some bullet points. I should say Mark made these bullet points and made these graphics over the weekend. And really, just because we have to kind of get reacclimated, and we're not trying to, you know, blow this out of proportion, because it's not out of proportion.
No.
This is dangerous cold that we are dealing with. So
yeah, I mean, this is like northern Canada, northern Alaska cold we're going to have for 2 days.
Right.
Yeah, so again, yeah, you need to prepare for it like you're in Fairbanks, Alaska. And guess what? Everybody in Fairbanks, Alaska has jumper cables, flashlight, extra blankets, towels, some snacks in their car as well, because, you know, if your car's 20 below, you don't have to worry about anything going bad. But, you know, some jerky or something like that, or granola bar, just in case you get stranded. I mean, it's going to take, so even if you get stranded on the Kennedy, which is a major, major interstate, obviously, guess how much longer than normal it's going to take for a tow truck and the police to get to you? It's going to take longer because of the cold.
And you know what? These hand warmers, I have boxes of them in my car. I keep them all the time, mainly because I'm probably the coldest person you'll ever meet. But
you're never warm.
I'm never warm. So this is really going to be too much. And then, of course, as far as just the cold safety advice, the layers are so, so key. Even if you're just running out to get the mail out of the mailbox, it's going to be that kind of thing. Like you said, the frostbite in 5 minutes.
Yep.
It's a real deal.
Yeah, don't get in an argument with the kids. Duh, it takes so much time, Dad. No, you know, put on the gloves, put on the hat, put on the snow pants, you know, the long johns. You know, you're going to wear 2 to 3 layers on Wednesday and Thursday when you're walking around.
And you have 2 kids, I have 2, and we've both heard this argument, haven't we?
I don't need them, yeah. I'm used to the cold. No.
And that's when we say, don't you know what your parents do for a living? And yeah. So the 7-day forecast. Let's talk about the fact that we've highlighted these as AccuWeather alert days, and we do that when we know that the weather is going to be really impacting. I mean, of course, we're impacted by weather in some form each and every day, but extreme impacts coming, and especially as we have been highlighting here, Wednesday and Thursday. So not just Wednesday morning being brutally cold, but Thursday morning potentially as well.
Yeah, I mean, so these are high impact days where you're not going to be able to normally go about your normal business. There's going to be disruption, you know, your inability to get even normal things done, obviously this morning. But yeah, Wednesday and Thursday. So Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we're forecasting 20 below.
Right.
That's going to set a record. The -11 for the high will set a record. The -21 Wednesday night into Thursday morning will set another record. And Thursday -1 sets another record. Yeah, it's just, we're just not used to seeing numbers like this.
No, we're not. So that's why we wanted to give you kind of a little weather briefing, an idea of what Mark and I have been discussing, what we're looking at here in the ABC 7 Weather Center, and just trying to keep everybody prepared. So stay safe. Stay warm, travel safely, and we will see you on TV.
Yeah, and it's temporary. Look at Saturday and Sunday. It's temporary.
Yes, it is. We'll see y'all later.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC 7 Chicago YouTube channel.